Siguro tayo mong gamitin yung manipis na supply. Yun ata yung nakakatanggal ng buhok. No? Good morning! Good morning! Thank you, Anlas. Thank you, Briones. Good morning. Nice effects. Last video mo, ang dami mo doon. Hindi ko gets. I don't get it. I'm removing the buhol of my hair. Thank you, Modi Alex. May nag-request to be in the live. Pagbigyan man natin. Hindi ko gets. Hi, Kareem Stranger. Jeet, got to go. Take care po. Ingat sa work, guys. Ang buhol ng hair ko. Kulot salot. Kumana. Nakita kita sa TG. What's TG? Telegram? Good morning. I'm Ellen Ho. You're so pretty naman. Wala. Hi, Shell Ganya. I love your content. I like your aesthetic. We're kind of similar with like the stuff that we like. Your videos and your outfits. Nakaka-inspire. Shoot ako today. Content. I love you also in your fits. Oh, thank you. Ito pa ate. Oh. Ito ba? Ang laking buhol. Nandito na yung dog ko, si Azula. Cute ng outfit na to. This is from Whoopi Clothing. Ito yung tsura ko pag walang makeup. Ito ba? Hindi. Ball ba? Or hindi? Ha? How are you and your sister? We're just coexisting. We're not really close, honestly. Hi, Lois. Miss you. Anong day ngayon? Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Oh my God, ang lapit na mag-Friday. Ang aga mo kulit mo na balik. Lois, look who's here. Azula! 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 Say hi! Come here. Look, 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 look. Say hi. Hmm. Funny, nung time na nag-Pilates kayo with Danica, nung nag-sign up the cross ka. Hehehe. Such a cutie, love you. Oh, thank you. Cause, ano tawag dito? Ang tagal kasing nagme-meditate. Tapos nakaganon pa sa chest. Nung nakalimutan ko na meditation pala siya, akala ko nagdadasal kami. Ate, mabait ba si Shanika na alaga or pasaway? How do you maintain your weight body? It looks amazing. Oh, talaga? Thank you. Ewan ko, pero like, you're saying that it looks amazing, but I don't feel like it looks amazing. I think I could, lose a few more kilos, like 5 more kilos to be exact. Hi, Reniel, Adrian. It's giving ED. Parang feel ko mag-face mask right now. Good morning. What's the ganap? Well, right now, inaantay ko lang yung secretary ko. Mag-shoot kami ng content. So, mag-shoot kami ng Get Ready With Me, finally. Panoorin nyo kasi, pakiganahan ako. Mag-shoot kami ng Get Ready With Me, and then, mag-shoot kami ng OOTD dito sa room. Tapos, mag-shoot kami ng OOTD sa labas. And then, mag-unboxing kami. And then, magsa-celebrate kami ng birthday niya kasi sabi niya, wala daw siyang birthday plans. So, sabi ko, we'll just celebrate it together. Treat ko siya sa labas. Please upload on TikTok. Sige. May bowl. May bowl pa ba? Ito. Bowl. Yung nakakapa. Ano pang the rest? Okay na. Yes, from. It's so cute. Oh my God. Ayusin ko. This dress is so cute. It's from Whoopi Clothing. Habang bilis kong pumunta, kailangan na uling mag-beach. Thank you, Erica. Erica? Erica? Oh, Erica. You answered in a TikTok video why you can't right now. Can't what? Good morning, Daily Dosage. Cute naman ang name mo. Daily Dosage. Daily Dosage. Oh my gosh! Alam ko nang pwede natin gawin. So, tulungan nyo nga ako. Kung gusto nyo lang naman tumulong. So, alam nyo si, di ba, kalala nyo yung mga YouTubers, ganun, like example, si Ray. Meron siyang, um, meron siyang tagline for her vlogs, and it's called Recently. That's so witty and cute. And then si Jorella, journal, pero spelling ng Jorella niya, journal. Tapos si Aliana, now a days, kasi diba it's a siya. So, sa akin kaya, gusto ko rin magkaroon na buhol yung hair ko kasi kulot. Good morning, Janshi. It's extra. Can't answer where he is. Huh? I don't get it. Okay. So, can you guys help me? Gusto ko rin. Ang hirap ng Shanika. Shani Chronicles. Chronicles? Yeah. Ang hirap. Can you guys help me? Shan thoughts. Yeah, Shan thoughts. Parang, does my comment doesn't come in? It does. Ang hirap no, Shanika. Shani. Hindi ko alam. Anong okay? Shan. Ang hirap. Shan. Nasan si Pakistani? Nag-uusap kami the other day. Hala, bakit nag-uusap? Tumawag na naman. Tapos this time, nag-catch up kami. First time. Kasi before medyo, I was just hearing him out. Yun. Pero tama na. Hindi na maganda to. Hindi na magandang ideya to. Okay, so tutulungan niyo ba ako o hindi? Shani... Kasi yung food siya ni kain, that's kind of cute. Like, tapos na, gusto ko ng pang vlog. Shani K. Shani today, I don't know. Shani... Sunshine. And Sunshine. Sunshine. Paano naging connected sa vlog yung Sunshine? Try natin i-connect. Try natin yung best natin. Cute kasi nung kina Jurella, Journal, kay Rare. Ate pa open. Recently. Now, 8 days. Gusto ko din ng pang-vlog. Shani where she is. Try harder. Hindi siya pasado. Hi! Happy birthday! Hi! No! Hi, Juliana! Teka, wait lang. Wait ko. Papuntaan natin siya. Greet mo siya. May dog na tayo. Hi! Greet mo siya para bati kayo.
It's so cute! Anong name niya?
Azula!
Wow!
Azula! Bati na kayo?
You're so cute! Chubby.
Hi! Shani Days. Shani Days. Pwede ba yun?
Yeah, pwede.
Parang pwede yun. Oy,
Galing?
may nag-comment eh. Shani Days. Oh my God. Ang galing nun ha. Shani siya nagpunta. May nag-comment. Shani siya nagpunta. Uy, pwede yung Shani Days. Uy, ang cute ng Shani Days. Ang cute ng Shani Days. Diba? Bakit hindi natin naisip yun? Ang galing mo. Sino ka ba? Daily X dosage. Shani all. Uy, Shani all. Okay, girl. So, ipipil natin yung Get Ready With Me.
Okay.
Pang cute yung Shani Days.
Ang galing.
Ang cute din yung Shani all.
Shani on.
Shani all. Gawin kong tagline yun. Shani all.
Cute. Sino makaisip nun?
Ay, ang galing.
Hindi natin yan naisip.
Sige na, bye na guys. Wala na kayong kwenta. Eme. Joke, may kwenta kayo. Kwenta kayo. Tinulungan niyo ako. Bye! Hi! Pwedeng Gcash? Sige. Thank you. Girl. Oh. Kung sino may problema? Ako nga may problema. Ikaw. Hi! Hey! Hindi ko na alam anong solusyon.
Pag pinaasan ko ba yung iPad ko?
Yung?
iPad. Siya ka na dito. Okay, isa.